Imagine starting a project without knowing its cause. Scary, right? Accurate cost estimation is crucial for project success. Today, we're diving into cost estimates in project management, a vital tool for decision-making. Cost estimates guide planning and resource allocation. They ensure budgets are met, helping control expenses. Let's explore the essential components of cost estimates step by step. First, we have direct costs. These are expenses directly linked to a specific project or job. For instance, if an engineer spends 5 hours designing, that time is a direct cost. Next up are factory costs. This term mainly applies to manufacturing. Factory costs encompass all expenses before profit markup, including materials and labor. Then, we need to understand fixed costs. These are costs that don't change, even if production stops. Fixed costs include salaries and utility bills like electricity and heating. Now, let's turn to indirect costs, also known as overheads. These are necessary expenses for running a facility but can't be directly traced to a job. Examples include management salaries and office utilities. It's time to simplify labor costs. Labor is crucial, and using standard costing helps estimate effectively. We average employee salaries for budgeting. For example, an engineer may cost about 1 million naira a year. Now, let's look at recovering overheads. We calculate total direct labor costs and apply a percentage to cover indirect expenses. This method is known as absorption costing. To see this in action, let's discuss a project to build a university. It involves many parts: roads, buildings, hostels, and more. We break this massive project into smaller, manageable pieces, called a work breakdown. Each part can then be costed separately. By analyzing sub-projects this way, we can add costs together, leading to an accurate total project budget. In summary, understanding cost estimates is essential in project management. We've discussed types of costs: direct, factory, fixed, and indirect. We've learned about labor costs and overhead recovery, as well as the importance of work breakdown for project organization. Now, take the next step. Apply this knowledge in your own projects. Accurately estimate costs to ensure your project's success. Subscribe for more insights on project management.